thing which is very important to prevent from vector-borne diseases, that is use of insect repellent. After rainy season, mosquitoes are more than just a nuisance, they can also carry dangerous diseases. Malaria, dengue, Zika, and chikungunya, Lyme disease are just a few examples of illnesses that can be transmitted by mosquitoes. Fortunately, insect repellent can help protect you from these diseases. When choosing an insect repellent, it is important to choose one that is effective against mosquitoes. Look for products that contain DEET, Picaridin, or oil of lemon eucalyptus. These ingredients are proven to be effective at repelling mosquitoes. When applying insect repellent, be sure to follow the instructions on the label. Apply it evenly to your skin, but avoid getting it in your eyes or mouth. Reapply the repellent as directed, especially if you are sweating or swimming. Wearing long sleeves and pants can also help protect you from mosquito bites. When possible, stay indoors during peak mosquito hours, which are typically dawn and dusk. By taking these precautions, you can help protect yourself from mosquito-borne diseases like malaria, dengue, Zika, and Lyme disease. Tips on using insect repellent. Use insect repellent containing DEET, Picaridin, IR 3535, or oil of lemon eucalyptus. Apply to exposed skin and clothing. Can reapply every 2 to 3 hours, or more often if sweating or swimming. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Do not spray in the eyes or mouth. So, there you have it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying healthy and safe.